Well, it's time once again for world-famous, internationally acclaimed, galactically inspiring, mother-approved, kids love it too, El Poco Ponderosa, soon to become El Grande Ponderosa. Now, last time you was with us, you saw the unboxing of this wonderful lathe, and I got all the tools, and so I'm ready to put them to work. Now, what we need is we were going to do the horses, the little hobby horses, and they're going to be fabulous, but I needed a dowel. So I borrowed some logs from the neighbor, and I got my wood glue here, and so I'd already put a couple of drops in there to get the logs to hold together. I didn't get to him before he cut them off of the tree, and then, oh, man, where did it go? I got some red food dye that'll help turn these logs, so that way when I turn them down to a dowel, I will also get some mulch for the backyard, thereby saving the environment. Now, I know that this seems like a difficult task, but truth is, we just let this glue set up for a little bit, and then we're going to stop the film in a while, and we'll go ahead and we'll make the mulch, and I'll show you where we're at when that time comes. Alrighty there. Welcome back once again to El Poco Ponderosa, world famous, internationally acclaimed, galactically inspiring. I'm not done yet. If you can tell, it still kind of looks like a log, but it's got to be looking a little bit better, I'm sure. And I know we got a lot of the mulch out of here. I had found the dye before I actually started this, so we got it done. This is red dye number 10, and I know it's illegal, but it hasn't expired yet. So it still says good. It's got a good number on the back, and so it's still got to be good. And I got down all the way to the red. I don't think I'm going to add any more red because we're only going to try to go a little bit smaller, a little more El Poco-ish. Yeah, that'll be great. And then we will get this cleaned up. And I know it snowed the other day, but snow will help this mulch sink into the ground a little better, and it'll stay a lot longer. And but just a minute, we'll get started again on the hobby horse, and we'll see how it works. Well, welcome back. We finally got done with our lathe making stuff. We got a little bit of a mess to clean up. I think Laura will be over here in a little bit. But this dowel here, let's go ahead and take this off the machine here. And we got that all down there. It took a little while, but we got it down to perfection now. And I think this is about the right size for what you need, because everybody needs a horse. Because the horses are good for the environment, good for road construction. You have less roads to work on if you're just riding a hobby horse than you do. And try not to get too much of that all sucked up. You might fog the filters there, but okay, maybe a broom and a dustpan will work next time better. But you're doing a great job there, Laura, wherever you're off to now. And what do you think? Do you think this is enough to help?
My husband is doing a very good job using his lathe. He took 2 logs and turned them into a hobby horse stick. Join us next time on El Poco Ponderosa. Thank you.